For any construction project, even the smallest detail in the construction plan is important. However, with the high amount of details involved, it is easy to send or print incomplete plans or drawings. This could result in unexpected delays, lost revenues, and missed deadlines, and perhaps a very frustrated construction site manager. But why go through all of this when you could use Vertex Showroom? Vertex Showroom is a convenient online platform that connects designers with construction teams at the job site. The platform allows designers to upload 3D models to the showroom and share these models with the site teams. With this revolutionary platform, construction teams can easily access 3D models and CAD data using your favourite mobile device and stay up to date with all the design changes on the go. Accessible from any device, site teams can now access 3D models, find any missing details, and even communicate directly with the designers. Enjoy faster collaboration and better results by visiting showroom.vertex.fi today.